Hi, and welcome to another Mobus Data unboxing video. Today we're going to unbox the new Huawei Mate 20 Pro, a gorgeous new device by Huawei. Without any further ado, let's crack the box open and see what's inside. Oh, this is satisfying. Alright, first up there's the phone itself, but for now we'll leave it aside. I just need to say that it looks just gorgeous. It looks stunning. Anyway, for now, let's leave it aside. Next up, there's a sticker. Here, there's a SIM tray tool. And inside of this box, there's some paperwork. There are some user manuals, I guess, and some other stuff. Here's a fast charging brick, Huawei Supercharge. This is gonna be really quick, I suppose. Also, here's a USB Type-C to Type-A data and charging cable. There are also in-ear headphones, Type-C connector. So this phone doesn't really have a 3.5mm port. Luckily, there's the Type-C connector on headphones. And if you really want to use your old 3.5mm headphones, there's a dongle, a connector from 3.5mm to Type-C. Okay, let's peel off the foil here. Ooh, awesome. Look at this color. It's just gorgeous. All right, let's boot it up. All right, so this is it. The phone is now set up. Yeah, we will set it up and we will bring you a full review shortly.